Stop. Turn your stabilizer off. Yeah, we want it back engaged.
How can you tell that?
If the light's off and if it's on flat ground, it should go back. Yeah.
No. How did you know?
Because
Well, you had it on earlier. I was just making sure you turned it off.
I don't have any lights on me.
Okay. We want optimum danger.
his insurance is paid up.
Okay, keep coming just a little bit. Give me like 3 inches. Keep coming. Okay, stop right there. So you guys see his back tire on the passenger side is probably what, a foot or two off the ground?
Yeah.
Go ahead and hit your stabilizer disconnect now. See how much flex he gets out of it? So that stabilizer that helps us on the highway stays firm and steady. In off-road situations, if we can disconnect it, it's going to bring more stability. It's going to bring those tires down. So that's why that's the feature. If you don't have it, it's not the end-all be-all, but it's really nice.
Do you have that?
Good.
I think he was saying we were the only. What was it?
Good job.
The only whatever. Yeah. That's what.
Okay, you got one more big drop on that passenger front tire. Boom. Cool. All right, you got it, brother. Remember, back tires have to do what the front tires did. Nice and slow. Good. Stop right there. Ooh, look at that. Whew. Hold on, I want that. Hey, honey.
Hey.
We want the earth to be flat again.
Yes, please.
Nice. Good job. That looks really cool.